Welcome. If you want to host your own recorded space on X, formerly known as Twitter, right from your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, creating and recording spaces on desktop is now easier than ever. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look for the More icon usually found on the left-hand menu at the bottom. Click on it, and you'll see the option. Create your space with a microphone icon. Select this to begin setting up your space. Next, you'll be asked to choose who can speak in your space. You have 3 options: only people you invite, people you follow, or everyone. Pick the setting that best fits your conversation. This gives you control over who can join in and speak during your session. Now it's time to set the topic. Write a clear and engaging title that tells your audience what the space is about. You can also add up to 3 relevant topics to help X recommend your space to the right listeners. This step is important for reaching people interested in your discussion. Before you go live, look for the option to enable record space. Make sure to turn this on if you want your conversation to be saved and available for replay. This feature allows your followers and anyone who missed the live session to listen later. Once everything is set, click Start now. Your space will go live, and your followers will be notified that you're hosting a live audio conversation. People can join, listen, and participate if you've allowed them to speak. If you prefer, you can also schedule your space for a later time by clicking the calendar icon and choosing your preferred date and time. That's all it takes. With these steps, you can easily create and record a space on X using your PC. Enjoy connecting with your audience, sharing ideas, and building your community with this powerful feature.